Hi guys, hope you are all fine. In this video, I'll tell you how to install WordPress in your computer, and that's super easy. Let me show you how. But first, I must tell that there are many ways to install WordPress in your computer. Like you can use XAMPP, you can use VAMP. But in this video, I'll show you the easiest and quick way to install WordPress in your computer. And maybe you already know about that installer, and the name is Bitnami WordPress installer. Actually, Bitnami has many applications, a lot of applications for web development, and one of these applications is WordPress, and that is very easy to install from Bitnami. Okay, now come to the method. How can we install WordPress from Bitnami WordPress installer? First of all, open the browser and go to the Bitnami website. Okay, the URL is bitnami bitnami.com. Okay, once you open the website, click on the applications, and here you can see all the available applications on Bitnami website. You can see a lot of applications are here, including Java, Spark, Harbor, MXNet, Subversion, Spark, WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, VAMP, and etc. As we have to install WordPress, so we'll click on the WordPress. We can also search the application we want to install in the search box. Okay, after that click on the WordPress. Now on my computer portion, I'll select Windows, Mac, Linux. Okay, after clicking on that, here you can see the three available options that are download for Windows, download for MacBook, or download for Linux. Now it's up to your computer or your operating system that you are using to decide that which one you install. As I am using Windows operating system, so I will click on download for Windows. Here it will ask you to sign in. If you already have account, you can sign in here, and if you want to create a new account, you can click on create one. If you're not interested to sign in any account, then you can click on no thanks, just take me to the download. Here select the location where you want to save it. I'll prefer to save it in downloads folder. Now click on the save button. It's of 200 MBs. We have to wait a bit to let it download. Here I will resume the video till next step. Yeah, it's done. Now go to your selected location where you have saved it. Okay, I have it here. Open it by double clicking on this. It takes a bit time to open. From here select the language and then click OK. Welcome to the Bitnami WordPress Stack Setup Wizard. Click on the next button. Make sure it's checked because we need these both, and then click next button. Select the location where you want to install it. I have selected C drive. Click next. Here type your real name, and I will write Inforeri here. Now type email address info@inforeri.com. Here type your login name, that is your username that you will use to log in into your dashboard. Type it here, and also save any other place or on Excel sheet to remember it for future login purposes. Okay, now type password and re-enter the password to make it confirm. Click next. Here write down your blog name. I will write here Inforeri's blog. Click on next button. This is required so your application can send notifications via email. If you want to configure mail support by sending mails, you can check it. Otherwise, there is no need to click on this. If you want this, then click on this box and then select Gmail or custom and then click on the next button. Yes, just do the told steps. I would not prefer it, so I will simply click on the next button. Here, make sure you are unchecked because we do not need to install WordPress in cloud. We will use it in localhost, so there is no need for this. Now click on the next button. As in this video, our purpose is to let you know about installing the WordPress in Windows. So click next button. Ready to install. Setup is now ready to begin installing Bitnami WordPress stack on your computer. Now again click on next button. It's preparing to install. We have to hold for a few moments. Now allow access. If it asks you for any access, click on allow access. Yes, it's perfectly done. We have successfully installed the Bitnami WordPress stack setup wizard. Now click on finish button. Awesome. WordPress is now installed. And now you can get the access to your WordPress user front end and dashboard. Let me show you how you can get access, and that's super easy. Open the new tab and type your default IP address, that is 127.0.0.1, and that's all how you can get access to your WordPress that you have installed. Now if you would click on the access WordPress, it would take you to the user end. You can also write down the folder name like WordPress and then press enter. It will open the user end or the front end of the website. If you want to open the dashboard, just copy the URL of the front end, open new tab and then paste that URL here and further type wp-admin and then enter. Here you got the access to your dashboard. And obviously you have already saved your username and your password on your Excel file, as I've already told you. Just write that down here, enter password and click enter or press login. Okay, here we are. That's our dashboard. That's it. I'm pretty hopeful that this video would help you to install WordPress in your computer. If you like the video, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Take care.